Hi Chris, it's me Tracy. I'm here to show you how to add your News ELA articles into your class lessons. So I'm in your class lessons. I'm going to go to your remote learning tab. Okay. I'm also going to go to lessons. I'm going to go to create lessons. And I'm going to title this 4.23.20 Social Studies lesson. Please complete the following activities in order. Alright, and then I'm going to click create. Then I'm going to go to add activity. Okay? Before I actually go to add activity, I'm going to open up my News ELA. So see up here I have my News ELA. I found an article that I really loved. How dare they? Nutella changes recipes, sending its fans to the edge. I think for the purposes of Otis and everything, right now we're going to go to print. And then we're going to go to article only. Okay? This button right here over in the top right hand corner with the arrow pointing down towards a line, we're going to press that and we're going to go to download. All of a sudden my computer asks me the name of it, so I'm going to keep the name of it, Elementary Nutella Recipe. I'm going to keep it's going to its desktop. You can change that. You can ask it to go anywhere you'd like. I'm going to keep it on my desktop. We definitely want to keep the PDF format. I'm going to click save. It automatically goes down to my left hand corner of my screen, and it's right down here. Okay? So now I'm going to open up Otis again. I'm going to add activity, add new resources. I'm going to upload a file. So I'm going to I'm clicking on my mouse pad. I'm clicking on it and I'm dragging it to upload. And then I put it in the file and I click save. Okay? When I ask the students, please read this article before you answer the questions. And I'm going to click save. Okay. My next activity that I'm going to add is going to be the assessment questions from News ELA. So when I went to print on News ELA, before I only did the article. Now I'm going to do the article and the quiz. I'm going to actually copy this question and these answers and put them into Otis. So then it's easier for you to have access to that. Okay? So I'm going to go to assessments, create assessment. This is going to be an advanced assessment. I'm going to call this Social Studies 4.2320. We always want to put the date in there. I think this is just an assignment and a grading scale, remote learning. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go here to create. Title. I'm going to go to multiple choice. Okay. And I did multiple choice standard. Okay. And now I'm going to go back into News ELA. The document that I had actually saved as a PDF. Not that one. Oh. Hold on. I'm going to go to print, article and quiz again. And then now I'm going to copy my questions. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking, left clicking, and I'm copying and pasting. And then I'm doing Command or Control C. I'm going into here, back into Otis, where my question is. I'm doing Command V. Up here at the top, I go right back in to the question. I'm going to put in this answer. Command C as one of my choices. Put that there. Copy and paste. So I am linking just that B. Command C. Go back into Otis. And go back into Command C or make sure I left click to copy. Control C. Go back and Otis. Control V as in Victor. And then let me do this. Command C. Copy. And Control V. Paste. Okay. And then I'm going to save it. Okay. Oh, my title is empty. So now at least then you can see that. You can title this question number 1 and save. And you can copy that same procedure for all of your assessments. I think maybe this will help you when assigning News ELA articles. I know it's a lot more steps than what you probably wanted, but the parents are already feeling that going to multiple platforms is challenging. So we're trying to do it all through Otis. So good luck. Give me a call tomorrow if you have any troubles.